Hi, so today we are going to discuss about cloud storage. In the previous video you have seen that how to store data on your Google Cloud Storage. Parallel, it is equally important how to set the retention policy. For an example, in a data, let's say if you have a data onto this bucket, okay, and you have stored this data in this bucket, and you have given the access. We talk about the access, different access. Let's say in this bucket you have a different team working onto that, and accidentally someone deleted this data. Okay, so in that case it can create the chaos, right? Maybe your user not getting the data, and we have faced this similar issue. So how we can set the safety data from the deletion? So for that we have to discuss today about one topic called retention policy. So let's talk about how we can disable the deletion of the data for a time period. Okay, take a look. Okay, so let's go to we'll create one new bucket here, and come to the bucket, right? So we'll create one bucket, and the idea is very simple. We'll store data into the bucket, and we'll see if the data is deleted without setting the retention policy, it will get deleted. But in the case 2, we will learn about before storing the data, we'll set the retention policy for the time frame. For example, we will set the time frame for 30 seconds, and after that we store the data into the bucket. And after that, if we try to delete the data will not delete till the time frame is not completed, means 30 seconds. So that we will learn how to set the retention policy in your bucket. So the data is the bucket is ready. Let's go and store the data in a bucket, and we'll load the data. So click load file, and we'll take a simple any file like okay, let's take this image, okay, and take a look onto this, and data has been loaded on my file. Let's scroll down. The file is ready. You see that 2 file is there. Now there's an option you have, delete, right? Or you have option there also to delete. So let's select this data in our bucket, and let's go and delete it. Okay, we delete this file, then we click on to delete, and the file, you see that it's got deleted. But now it's a question here, if you store some data in your bucket and you do not want this data deleted, but this bucket have in your team using some different access, so in case someone come and delete it, so how you can stop them? So we'll learn that. Now we have an option called, go to the protection please. So here we have a protection, and you see here this is called data recovery in there, retention policy. So this policy will help you and give you the safety while deleting the data. How? Let's see. So retention say that prevent the deletion of modification of object in the bucket for a specified period of time after they are uploaded. So let's, okay, this is the 2 option. So I want the data duration, let's say 30 seconds. Okay, we have a different time frame, guys. You can do it as per your choice, days, month, years. I'm taking for example for 30 seconds. So this case, what will happen once you dump the data in your bucket, and if anyone try to delete, the data will not deleted till the time this over. Okay, let's set this. So click on save. So retention policy has been set. Now go back and we'll dump the data. Okay, let's upload a file. Yeah, and let's take this data again, the same data. All right, you see that retention policy has been set. The pop-up is coming, it's coming 30 seconds. Click confirm, and you scroll down, the file is uploaded. Okay, now I will select this file, and the count started. Let's delete this, and click on delete. You see that could not delete it. All right, now go to the view details piece. It fails, click onto that individually, because it said that because of this retention policy, scroll down, the data, you're not allowed to delete it. What if after 30 seconds we'll delete the data? So we'll wait for 30 seconds, go back, okay, and when, okay, scroll down, and when we select this and we try to delete this, okay, if 30 seconds being lapsed, then it should be deleted. You can see here. All right. This is how the retention policy works. But just keep in mind, retention policy apply to those object. Object means the data which only applicable before setting the retention policy. You notice that this data was before, but on this data the retention policy will be not applied. So you click onto this, okay, and you delete that, data will delete it. So the retention policy will apply to that file only which you have set, and you uploaded the data after setting the retention policy. Okay, so the file deleted. So you have to just keep in mind. I hope you understand that retention policy. You can go and do the practical and check how the retention policy you can set it and how it will work. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.